If your verification code isn't being sent for your PlayStation account, don't worry, it's usually something simple. Start by checking your internet connection on both your phone and the device you're signing in from, since a weak or unstable connection can delay or block the code entirely. Next, log into your PlayStation account management page, if possible, and double check that your phone number or email address is entered correctly. Even one wrong digit or letter will prevent the code from arriving. If the details are correct, refresh your messaging or email app by closing and reopening it, or briefly toggle airplane mode on and off to force a network refresh. Also, check your spam, junk, or blocked message folders, as some carriers or email providers automatically filter verification texts. Avoid repeatedly pressing resend code, because requesting too many codes too quickly can temporarily delay delivery. If you still don't receive anything, try using backup codes if you have them saved, or access your account from a device where you're already signed in to adjust your two-step verification settings.